Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today is Friday, so I decided to pick up the camera and say whistle. I just put my new curly unit on. It's really cute. I'm standing in front of the window, but yeah, I like it. So I'm getting ready to record my mukbang, and then I'm supposed to be meeting up with Chelsea because we're gonna go look for some Christmas decor for her Christmas tree, and I need to get some more lights because I have no idea what happened to my Christmas box. Because we checked last night, we couldn't find a Christmas box, so I need to go ahead and just get some more lights, and if I see some pretty arrangements that they have out, then I'll go ahead and grab those. Why is my camera going in and out like that? So yeah, let me go ahead and film my mukbang and I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I would love to have you. Look what came. My chair. So it's the exact same chair. I ordered this one from Wayfair and I ordered this one from Amazon. So it's the exact same chair. This chair has been sold out on Wayfair for quite some time. They do have it in a different color, and then I found one on Amazon. So I'll put the link in the description box, so when my husband comes home, he's going to put the chair together, then I'll have both of my chairs. So I'm so excited. I had this chair for quite some time, maybe like what, maybe 3 years. You guys remember when I got this chair and the box was real beat up when it came and I was very upset? Y'all remember that? And Tony put the chair together and I vlogged it all. Some of you guys remember that if you guys have been here for a while. And like I said, it was sold out on Wayfair, and I've been searching and searching and I finally found it on Amazon. So check the Amazon link in the description box. So I am making spaghetti for dinner. I haven't made spaghetti in, oh my gosh, probably like a year. This has been a very long time. So I have my noodles over here. And I want to do some baked spaghetti, but I still haven't decided yet. So this is ground turkey. That's why it's not that much oil in the pan, because y'all know the lean ground turkey is pretty healthy, so it doesn't have that much fat in it. So I usually just put like a little bit of olive oil in the pan. And while I'm cooking, I'm having a glass of wine. I am drinking the chocolate shop that I got from World Market. This is a recommendation from my boo Chelsea. I had it at her house and I really like it. So it is sweet and it has like a hint of chocolate. So yeah, cheers. So this is the spaghetti sauce that I'll be using, the Ragu Old World style sauce with mushrooms. I cook my own bell pepper and onions with the meat. So this is what I'll be using tonight. Alright y'all, so this is ready to go in the oven. Now just to make it look a little prettier when it's done, just add the parsley on. I like to do it before the cheese melts, and then it looks really good and just a little fancier once it's done. So let's go ahead and pop this in the oven. Alright y'all, my husband just came in here and fixed his plate. He couldn't wait. So this looks so good. So good. You ain't gonna save nothing for you to take to work tomorrow?
I'll get off, get off 12.
Oh, yeah. Well, I guess it was good, y'all. So, quick question. Do you guys like sugar in your spaghetti? I prefer sugar, but I don't make it with sugar, but I'll add sugar to my spaghetti. And my son likes it that way too. When I get everything done, y'all just don't know. Y'all don't understand how cute this is gonna be. Like, oh my gosh. I'm just sitting here having some wine. Now y'all see why I was so pressed on getting my rug, because I want to have everything done by the holidays. So, but I'm gonna work on this weekend. And the tree, oh, it's gonna look so good. It's gonna be so dreamy. So dreamy. Okay, good night, guys. Okay, y'all, so my package came in. I ordered some more glasses. The glasses are so good, I just could not resist. So let me show y'all how they look. So these are the Eve Coupe cocktail glasses, and they're just so adorable. This is how they look. So cute, and I love them. So I got a little set of 2. So yeah, this is how they look. Cute little cocktail glasses that has the little rib detail. Y'all know I love that. So yeah, I got me a little set of 2. And I love them. I'm so happy. Good morning, y'all. So bright in here. Happy Saturday. I'm getting ready to put on some clothes really quick, throw on some shades, and go to Hobby Lobby because I want to get some garland. And I'm gonna just look around and see what type of Christmas decor they have in there. Y'all know that Hobby Lobby is not my favorite place. I only go there for like floral stuff. So I'm going in there to get some garland. And then, like I said, I'll look around to see if they have some pretty ornaments that stand out to me. And then I'm going to Walmart to get the lights, and then we're gonna put some lights on the tree. So I'm really excited about that. So we're at Walmart and where's my husband? Okay, so we're at Walmart. Thanks. So the car can stop making all the noise. So we're at Walmart, and while we was in Walmart, I found the cashmere garland, which is so pretty. If you guys have not purchased your Christmas tree this year, you should get the cashmere Christmas tree. It's so pretty to me. It's so pretty, but I didn't see a 9-foot cashmere tree when I went to at home. But those cashmere Christmas trees are just like so beautiful. Like, they look real expensive to me. I really, really like it. So while I was in Walmart getting the Christmas lights, I went over to look at their garland, because I did pick up some garland from Hobby Lobby, which I wasn't in love with it, but I was like, okay, I could just make it work. And then I found the cashmere garland in Walmart, and it was like $15. So we're gonna take the garland that I picked up from the garland that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. We're gonna take that back, and then I'm gonna use the other one. It's so pretty. So I'm excited about that. So like I said, if you guys have not purchased your Christmas tree, just look at the cashmere Christmas tree and tell me what y'all think. And y'all have to see it in person. You can't, because I don't know how it'll look online. You have to see it in person, but it's so pretty. So pretty. How about these 4 candlesticks? I have some candlestick holders, some gold ones. So bought these, and 2 boxes of the LED cool white mini lights. We have about 3 boxes of these. And then this is the garland that I was telling y'all about. That was in Walmart. And we took the other ones back. Hopefully you guys can see this. It looks a little blurry, but yeah. So I'm gonna put this on the TV console. Tony, you think it's gonna look good? Yeah. All right, y'all, let's play around with this. See what we come up with.